Hi, we are Lights and Sounds.
I'm Zhu Jiahua, the Production Manager, and I'm also leading the Lights and Sounds team. So these are my members.
Hi, I'm Michael.
Hi, I'm Jiho.
I'm Emily.
I'm Jedrick.
I'm Meiji. I'm Jingwen.
We are mainly in charge of the Lights and Sounds cues. So during the full dress rehearsals, we'll be cueing the actors on stage about their light cues, as well as playing the music wherever needed for the background music, or as well as the sound cues. Some of the soundtracks that we found was maybe some of the drama OSTs that we've watched before, or some of the songs that we've heard before, but we found alternative versions of it. So do look out for the sound effects and the light effects during the show. One of my more favorite effects that we'll be including into the play is the ending part where Madam Wong and Jenny stands in the spotlight together and dances to the music.
My favorite was the scene where there will be a very intimate scene between Madam Wong and Madam Yogesh, and we chose a very special track for that. So do look out for it.
Yeah, that's actually my favorite scene. The dream lights, because we haven't seen it in real life yet, but from what I can imagine, it's gonna be pretty sick. So yeah, I can't wait to actually see it in real life.
One of the main challenges that we have is syncing our cues along with the cast movements. Because this year we're having 2 plays, so in a way it's harder for us to match our timetable to the cast and come down for the rehearsals and decide or practice the cues with the cast. So I think that's one of the major challenges that we've met so far. And we also try to practice within ourselves, so we went through the script by ourselves and we practice the cues along the way, so that at least when the cues come out in reality, then we can at least still know which cue it is. Yeah.
Big shout out to director Jet, because he's also one of the main coordinator between the cast and the lights and sound crew, so that whenever there is a vision that he has, he can make certain management and fixtures so that we can deliver our sound on track. Get your Hallplay tickets now
For 17 and 18 January 2020.
7 p.m. at UCC Theatre.
to catch our beautiful sound and lights effects.
See you there!